So good morning and welcome back. It's about 10 to 7. I'm just heading down the lake for a quick hour in the hide. It's really frosty this morning, so there's gonna be a lovely effect over the lake. I was hoping to get down here a little bit earlier, but unfortunately my alarm didn't go off. So yeah, I'm here now. Got my kit, got a cuppa. Get to the hide, the sun's just coming up. And hopefully I'll get into position before the heron arrives, but I feel as if the heron's probably already going to be here. But fingers crossed. Get a bit quiet now, get down to the lake, get in the hide and hope for the best. So I'm at the lake and the heron isn't actually here, although one did fly up along the river a moment ago. And didn't see me come into the lake, so hopefully the heron will be back. It's a beautiful morning here, absolutely lovely. A lovely bit of mist across the lake, gorgeous. Well, it's alive with Chiff in here this morning. It's about -2. God, it feels like it too. Nevertheless, get in there, get set up, get that cup of tea on. I really need it. I was literally straight out of bed, straight down the lake. Anyway, better keep quiet. Oh, it's gorgeous this morning. Well, I think I got in here in time. But thankfully a lot of birds didn't see me come in, so they seem to be getting back to normal. There's a dab chick to my left, a lovely male dab chick, which I hope is going to pop out in the middle. All being well, no sign of Mr. Heron yet. So I've just had a lovely bit of 5-minute footage with a dab chick, which is right in front of me. It don't usually stay still that long, but it was there for about 6 minutes, just in one place, just doing a bit of preening. Seemed to be a bit dozy, really. So now the sun's come up quite a bit more. Stacks of moorhen out on the lake, with just 2 dab chick. They seem to be staying to the periphery of the lake, really, not really in the middle. Must be about 12 moorhen. Very little duck actually, there's hardly any on the lake today. No teal as yet, which I was hoping for. And no heron, unfortunately. But I still haven't had my cup of tea. Always frightened I might miss something. Anyway, I think it's time for a cup. It's a lovely chiff-chaff behind me, isn't it? Oh, that's good. That's good. So inside the hide it's quite heavily condensated now, obviously being frozen outside. It'll drip on my head. Nice hot cuppa. So far no heron. Canada geese have just gone off onto the bank, and got a couple of dabchick just in close here, hoping to move around into my field of view at the minute. Lens isn't going over quite far enough. Oh, dabchick coming to the left now. Beautiful bit of mist over the water. It's such a nice effect if I can capture a dabchick going through it. So I've just finished an hour session this morning. Not bad, no heron unfortunately again, but got some nice shots and some videos from dabchick. Also got some pictures of the moorhen and some Canada geese as well. So, you know, all in all, not bad. Nice to be out in nature, listen to the chiff-chaffs and willow warblers, blackcaps. So it's been a really nice morning. Now head back for some breakfast. Nice fresh cuppa. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you would like to see more, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and maybe even a comment. But as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.